Hello, welcome to day 4, Thursday, September 10th. Here are the activities that you must complete for today. Remember, the module is Welcome Back, learning how to be an online student. Here, you will have the video of today. The video you're watching now is posted here. Then you have your 2 folders. Your asynchronous work, the work you will do independently. Let's see what you will do independently for today. You have 3 activities today that you must complete. The first activity is the online learning quiz. Remember, when you open an assignment, be sure to read everything in the assignment before you begin. This assignment has a quiz that you're going to take. So you click this link in order to see this quiz and take the quiz. When you are finished with the quiz, you're going to write down your results and put them here in the comment box and explain, are you surprised by your results? Why or why not? And post. Be sure to check for spelling before you post. Your second activity is, how do you feel about your new school experience? Okay, so this is new for us all. Again, remember to read the entire assignment before you begin. You are just going to explain in the comment box how this experience makes you feel. And I have some ideas that you can use. Remember again to check for spelling before you post. The third one, the third activity for today is a screencast about Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a program we are going to use tomorrow, and I would like for you to watch the video on how to use the program. That's it for async work. Now we're going to check our synchronous work. Today, we are going to have Zoom class. So here are the 4 things we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about class culture. We're going to discuss about how to be a successful online learner. We're going to explore the distance learning student guide, and we're going to prepare for the online quiz about learning online. And that's it for today. Be sure to complete all of your assignments. Good luck.